Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this. It's an Harley Davidson 1200 Superlow. And it's low. It's low enough for me to get on anyway. This bike's a 2019 on a 19 plate. Keyless start on these bad boys as well. This one's done 964 miles. Great looking bikes. It's got the panniers on this. It's got the bigger boards, so you can, you rest themselves on the feet. Stage 1 on this little bad boy as well, so that's always nice. We'll get to the noise of the exhaust in a second. But yeah, keyless, so you just need the key in your pocket. Press the on switch and then we press the start switch in a second. ABS on these. They sound wicked. Let's hear the noise. Sounds as good as it looks. Anyway guys, you've seen this little beauty. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, or actually just give us a call, email, and we'll get it dropped off for you. Cheers guys.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.